This is my 1,000-gallon cloud rainforest vivarium I call Pandora, a biological project of mine for the study of an ecosystem with numerous creatures, plants, and fungi living within it. And my most recent addition, a baby crocodilian spectacled caiman, whom I was under the impression would just live in the waters, eating the random insects falling into the pond. But boy, was I wrong. For one night, I spotted this. Oh man, our croc had discovered life on land, as well as the multitude of living creatures sharing his domain.